Good morning, everyone, from South Florida. We've talked about resources, and when you're able to identify those, you increase your chances for rapid resilience. It is so easy to spiral down right now. Don't let yourself go. Resilience is your ability to rise above what's going on around you. And the sooner you can do that, the better, because resources plus resilience are what open up the channels for relaxation. And we all know that when we're in a relaxed state, the body is able to repair, rebuild, and rejuvenate. And of course, sleep is our great commodity. So, think about it. We all learned how to eat with a knife and a fork, and ride a bike, and drive a car, and wipe our bottoms. Of course, I had to say that. But is there anyone in your life? I don't remember anyone saying, have a seat or lay down, I'm going to teach you how to relax. So we must teach ourselves. It's called self-soothing. And it's actually quite simple. There's a practice that Michael and I have been doing for years called coherent breathing. So if you're a woman, you would put your right hand on your belly below your navel and your left hand on top of your right hand. 5 seconds inhale and 5 seconds exhale. Now you may have to build up to that, so don't push. That's not relaxing. If you're a male, you would reverse your hands. Your left hand on your belly below your umbilicus with your right hand on top. This creates a beautiful energetic circuit that has been scientifically proven to create what is called self-regulation in your autonomic nervous system. We actually support people in doing body scan as well as part of our practice in our school. So you may want to just notice the back of your body, start with your heels, go up to the back of your head. Bringing your attention to the back of your body while you breathe deeply is a very simple way to increase your ability to relax. So remember, step 1, call up those resources. And that super spring soup recipe video will help. Good food is vital. Feed your body and your mind and your soul. It's a good practice. All good.